Want to create this eye-catching PowerPoint animation in just minutes? Let's dive right in. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create stunning rotating rings effect and even add a glowing twist, all in just PowerPoint. Right click, go to Format Background, select Background Color. Start by inserting a circle shape on your slide. Align center and align middle. Set it to no fill. Set the line width to 70 points. Choose a gradient line, add multiple gradient stops, and pick a coordinated color scheme for a vibrant ring. Now go to Effect, Soften Edges, and set the size to 20 points for a glowing look. Duplicate the circle, then align center and enlarge it to form an outer halo. Reduce the line width to 50 and adjust the transparency for a soft lighting effect. Add a fade animation to smaller ring. In the animation pane, set duration to 0.50 seconds. Repeat 3 times. Now add a fade to the larger ring. Delay 1.20 seconds. Select both circle, click on Add Animation and apply the spin animation under emphasis. Set it to start with previous, a duration of 8 seconds. In the timing, set it to repeat until end of slide. Now, insert circle shape, drag it, then align center and align middle. Now, click on slideshow and that's it. Simple, stylish and effective. Follow me for more PowerPoint magic. And if you want PPTs like this, check out the description below.